Water and wastewater rates in El Segundo are increasing, and here's why. In 2020, the city completed a rate study for its water and wastewater systems. The results showed that incoming revenue was not enough to cover the increasing cost to operate and sustain a regulatory compliant water distribution system and the wastewater collection system. The increases are due to inflation, required infrastructure replacement, increased federal and state environmental mandates, and pass-through costs from the City of L.A.'s Hyperion wastewater treatment plant. The City of El Segundo has not had a rate increase since 2016 in the wastewater system and 2019 in the water system, and needs to realign its rates to reflect current operating costs. El Segundo is 100% dependent on West Basin Municipal Water District for the supply of water. The cost to purchase water is going up 5 to 6% per year. The cost to wastewater collection and treatment services provided by the City of Los Angeles have increased significantly over the past few years, by 92% since 2017, and are expected to continue to increase. We understand that no one wants to pay more for any utility, but the fact is that all utilities experience rate increases to maintain the integrity of its systems and to keep up with new and required environmental regulations. Our priority is to provide our water users with safe, reliable, and compliant water and wastewater service by covering the cost of treatment and infrastructure replacement. How much will it cost? For the average household, the increase in water rates will translate to approximately $7 more a month, and the increase in wastewater rates will translate to approximately a $10 monthly increase. The water rate increase is scheduled to start on January 1st, 2022. The wastewater rate increase is proposed to start on April 1st, 2021. For more information, visit elsegundo.org.